Alright, my friends, so this project we are going to be drawing a pumpkin, and I'm going to show you some common mistakes of drawing a pumpkin. I'm going to also introduce to you a way of coloring your pumpkin that uses the value of, or a element of art called value, and that's kind of how light or dark a color is, and you really get that by how hard you push with the crayon or colored pencil. So for this project, you'll need a paper and a pencil, and if you want to follow along with the coloring part, you're going to need some crayons or colored pencils. Markers will not work for this project. Um, if you have oil pastels or chalk pastels or something, you could use those as well. But I have red, orange, brown, black, and yellow. And this part is optional. You do not have to use value with coloring, but if you, just in case you want to push this project really further, you can do this part. But first off, all you need, like I said, is a pencil and a paper. And what we're going to do is first we're going to start out by drawing the stem of a pumpkin. And if you have an older brother or sister, they may have done a digital painting of a pumpkin I think last week or the week before. So anyway, I'm going to start out by drawing the stem, and the bottom of the stem kind of looks like a dinosaur foot or a bird foot or maybe a starfish. And then I'm going to draw something like a rectangle, just like that. And there I've got the stem. And this part I drew like as a zigzaggy line because it's like it broke from the rest of the stem, the vine. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill this with some lines, and these are going to be contour lines. They're going to follow the curve of the stem. Alright, so once we've got that part, now we're going to draw a round shape. And this is going to be what's called an organic shape. So it's not a perfect circle. It's not a square or a triangle or anything. It's just an organic shape, but it's going to be pretty round. So I'm going to go up here above the pointy parts. And I'm going to draw around and down. And it is not perfect. And I think making it a little more organic is going to make it more realistic. Now it's time to draw the lines on the pumpkin. And I'm going to show you three mistakes. I'm going to show you three mistakes right here. Don't draw this part. This is my bad example part. Here are three mistakes when drawing the lines of a pumpkin. One mistake is drawing all the lines straight. Another mistake is drawing all the lines curved the same way. Another mistake is drawing the lines curved the wrong way. So let me break it down in some easy steps. First thing is find the middle of your pumpkin, go to the stem, and draw a straight line down. Now we have this side and this side. So first we're going to work over here. And on this side of the straight line, we're going to draw curved lines curving the same direction as this. And on this side, we're going to draw curved lines curving that way. Alright, so you can see there's a straight line in the middle, then on here they curve this way, and over here they curve that way. Okay, now the next part is coloring. So let's go ahead and we'll start coloring. Get your crayons or colored pencils. If you just want to color it straight up, you can just go ahead and color it orange or whatever. Or you can use markers and color it, but if you want to make it look really realistic, you're going to need these crayons or colored pencils that match those colors, alright?